Hi everyone, I'm Kseny, and in today's video I'm going to talk about Qigong Standing Meditation, or as some of you may know it as Qigong Tree Pose. This is the first video of my Meditate With Me series that I'm going to share with you in the next few weeks. So the reason why I wanted to do this series is because I think this standing meditation is one of the most powerful Qigong exercises, if not the most powerful. I've been practicing it myself for some time now, and I've noticed a big difference in my personal practice. It really helps to train the mind, build strength, and build personal power from the dedicated practice. This video is an introduction to the tree pose. We're going to go over the body alignment, the proper posture, proper breathing to get the most of this exercise. So let's begin. So begin in a standing position. Relax your whole body. Keep your back and your spine upright, but not rigid. And now bring your attention to your feet. Find all four corners of your feet. Get grounded, feel connected to the earth. Then from here, soften your knees. I like to think about it as you're like riding a metro or a subway, when your knees are always slightly bent and bouncy. So I like this analogy. Soften your knees and then relax your hips. So you can move your tailbone in slightly to lengthen through the spine. So I'm going to stay here so you can see just enough for you to have a nice long spine. Very good. And then moving up, relax the shoulders down and open the back of the neck by moving the chin to the chest. Again, just enough for you to feel the elongation. And then your head is drawing upward towards the sky. So when you're doing this meditation, you want to keep this concept between heaven and earth. So position your body upright, nice and straight, so you're between heaven and earth. Always staying grounded through your feet, but at the same time always reaching up towards the sky. Take a few moments here to notice how you feel. To find the center, to position your body where you feel comfortable. Very good. Okay, I hope you found it. And then raise your hands up to about chest height. So keep your shoulders down, round your back, so your chest will naturally sink in. It's almost like you're holding a big ball that's covering the back, your chest, and in front of your arms. This position is sometimes also referred to as 3 circles. So one circle will be doing between the chest covering the back. Another circle will be placed in front of our knees. So your knees are not going in the X letter. It's always kind of staying a bit out. So you're holding like a ball between your knees. And the third one is placed under your tailbone. So it's almost like you're resting. You feel that support. So 3 circles, 3 balls, 3 round shape kind of figures. Okay, so going back to the standing. Relax your, soften your elbows. Your elbows are lower than your shoulders. And keep your wrists relaxed. So they're not down, they're not up, they're not turned. And like a natural, again, line. Slightly rounded. Fingers relaxed, looking at each other. And here, again, take a few moments to find the position and check in with your body. If you need to, you can shift forward a little bit and then go back. Always staying grounded, staying connected through your feet. And allow yourself to have a few centimeters of freedom. Don't lock yourself, don't lock your whole body like you have to stand, like motionless. Okay, you do, not really need to move. But at the same time, if your arms or shoulders need a little adjustments, you can open them and find the softness, find this comfortable position. The same with the shifting the weight. Even with your lower back, you can do a very gentle circle, to loosen up, and then go back to standing again. Remember to keep your head upright. The crown of your head is pointing upward. Your spine is nice and long. Okay, it's normal to feel tension in your legs, different aches and pains. So that will go away as you practice more. So it might take a couple of months, it might take longer, but don't get discouraged. It takes practice to master this meditation, but the results and the benefits are totally worth it. Okay? And then bring your attention to your breath. So we're not doing any movements here. So your breath should be calm. So breathe slowly and deeply into your belly, keeping your chest relaxed. Let's take a nice deep breath through the nose, and then exhale through the nose as well, keeping it soft. One more here, and exhale. Very good. To come out of this position, just bring your hands closer to the chest, down in the center of the body, and relax by the side. Notice how your body feels already. Very good. This was a short introduction to Qigong tree pose. I really hope you enjoyed it, and join me in the next video to practice together for 1 minute. Thank you for watching and enjoy your day.